Hey everyone, I'm Katlava and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I have a hair video for you guys because I haven't done one in quite some time, and the truth is my hair honestly needed this hair reset. So today I'm going to be showing you how I give my hair some extra TLC. We're going to be going through my process of detangling. I'm also going to be showing you my DIY scrub, and we're also going to do a deep conditioning mask. Now, before we get into all of that, I just want to say hey to my returning subscribers. And if this is your first time on the channel, do make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay? You don't want to miss any of my uploads, hair content, fashion content. I am there. Subscribe and turn on the notifications, okay? So let's get started with our hair reset for the day. As you can see, my hair is dry, knotted, matted. It definitely needs this. And step one, we're going to be starting with a little detangling session. I'm going to be using the Tresemme Botanic pre-wash detangling butter. I've been using this product for about a year now and it's amazing. Okay, you want to put it in your hair generously, leave it there for a little bit, and then start detangling with a wide tooth comb. And I promise you, the way it literally brings your hair back to life is crazy. Just watch what I'm talking about. Just watch. You see how that comb is literally going like a hot knife through butter in my hair? That's what this product does. So if you really want to invest in a good detangler, this is it. Anyway, let's go wash it out our hair now. Okay, now for the second part of our hair reset, we're going to be doing a scalp scrub, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY scalp scrub. So first you need a container, you need half a cup of some brown sugar, and then you are going to grab your carrier oil. Today I'm going to be using grapeseed oil. You want to use at least a quarter of a cup. Just make sure you pour enough in there. The second oil we're going to be pouring is our essential oil, and today I'm going to be using tea tree oil. And then you want to pour at least 5 to 10 droplets of that in the mixture. And now for the easy part, mixing it all up. As I said, this is a really easy DIY hair remedy for those of you who have some scalp issues or just want to show your scalp a little bit more love. Trust me, this is super easy to do, and your scalp will thank you. Now, as you can see, I've washed out the detangling butter and I'm sectioning off my hair, and we want to apply this straight onto the scalp. Okay, just scrub it in, man. Just scrub it in. And more scrubbing. Also, warning for everyone who's gonna try this. This is such a messy process. So do make sure that you do it inside a bathtub or inside your shower or something, because it's going to be everywhere. Next, I'm going to be using the scalp brush that I got from Tresemme some time back. You can see I am using it to scrub my scalp, scrub, and the bristles of this scrub are so gentle, so it feels really good on the scalp. And when you're done, you just want to wash it out real good, okay? Wash it out real good. And now for our third step, we are going to be using a shampoo to make sure our hair is nice and clean and all that scrub is out. I'm going to be using the Tresemme Botanic shampoo. I really like the shampoo because number one, it smells so amazing. Like, it smells so good. It's also really moisturizing. It is lower in sulfates, and it is also made with coconut milk and aloe vera, which is great in terms of moisturizing. And as you can see, I am using that little scalp brush again just to make sure that all the scalp scrub is out and my scalp is nice and clean. Then we wash out the shampoo. And then step number 4, we're going to go in with a hair mask. Today I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. I just want it to be known right now that I deep condition every single wash day. This is one of the most important parts of wash day for me because it adds moisture, it strengthens your hair, it prevents and combats breakage, and it improves overall hair health. So it's one step I never ever miss. Today I am adding a little bit of TLC, like I said, so I'm going to be using this deep conditioning cap. You can get it from Take-A-Lot. I got it as part of a press job from a brand, but yeah, it's really easy to use and it literally feels like sitting under a dryer at the salon. As you can see, today I am sitting under it for 15 minutes. And when my 15 minutes are done, I'm gonna take off the cap and go wash out the mask. And honestly, washing out my deep conditioning mask is another favorite part of my wash day for me because it means we are almost done. Now for the final step, we are going to moisturize our hair and style. Today I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Avocado and Almond Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for a couple of months now and I think I really like it. I really think I like it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of peppermint oil with some grapeseed oil. And this is definitely for my hairline to make sure that it's nice and strong. And also I love the way the peppermint smells in my hair. And then I'm going to take my little brush and brush my hair up. And as you can see, I'm just using a little brush here with really soft bristles because this is a low manipulation hairstyle. I don't want to put a lot of tension on my hair after a wash day. I just want it to look nice and cute and in a nice little pineapple hairstyle. But yeah, man, that is it. Hey y'all, so as you can see, the hair reset is over and done. I hope you guys learned a thing or two, and if you're watching this is your sign to go ahead and give your hair some extra TLC, okay? Okay, but before I go, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a little comment and let me know what other hair content do you want to see on my channel, okay? Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Just go ahead and join the family. But yeah, now that we're all done resetting our hair and loving on our hair, I'm gonna be gone now. But before I go, guys, just one last time, let's get into the hair. Let's get into the hair. My hair looks so good, it feels so good, it feels so soft. Oh my gosh, I am so glad that I did this. So very glad. Guys, trust me, if you take care of your hair will take care of you. Okay? Okay. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm all done, so I'm gonna go now. And yeah, man, until the next video, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.